Zensar Technologies is an information technology services and consulting company headquartered in Pune, India. It was founded in 1991 as a joint venture between RPG Group, an Indian industrial conglomerate, and Fujitsu Limited, a Japanese multinational information technology equipment and services company. The company initially operated under the name RPG Fujitsu Software Technologies Limited. Its primary focus was to provide software development and maintenance services to clients in India and overseas. In the early years, Zensar primarily catered to clients in the banking, financial services, and insurance sectors. As the company grew, it expanded its service offerings and geographical reach. In 2001, Zensar changed its name to Zensar Technologies to reflect its evolution into a global IT solutions provider. It continued to enhance its capabilities in areas such as application development, enterprise integration, digital transformation, and managed services. Over the years, Zensar Technologies has experienced significant growth and success. It has established a strong presence in several countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, South Africa, Singapore, and Australia. The company serves clients across various industries, including manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and utilities. Zensar Technologies has continuously evolved to stay abreast of the changing technological landscape. It has embraced emerging technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, and Internet of Things, IoT. These capabilities have enabled Zensar to offer innovative solutions to its clients, helping them navigate the digital age. In recent years, Zensar Technologies has also focused on strategic acquisitions and partnerships to expand its capabilities and market reach. It has acquired companies specializing in areas such as digital commerce, cybersecurity, and customer experience management. Today, Zensar Technologies is recognized as a global IT services provider with a strong track record of delivering technology solutions to clients worldwide. It continues to invest in research and development to stay at the forefront of technological advancements and meet the evolving needs of its customers.